Yeah, I was just excited.
Can't wait for this.
I want to see. I can quit.
There's a mirror.
You want to get in the vlog? Are you okay?
Oh, it's in the
Yeah, everyone looks so cute. I want to capture it. Oh, okay, Papa.
That's my favorite.
All of us.
This is so pretty. Hello.
Hello. Oh my god, we look are dressed in the traditional Hanbok, and I'm so excited. I feel so cute and everything. So yeah, that's the update.
I feel like we know. Oh, you're sorry. You're not.
No, what's up? What's up?
Oh, I was just saying that we know what. Are we gonna listen to this talk? Maybe we listen to it a bit.
Oh, like a bit,
Yeah.
but we need to lock in.
The priority is the picks.
We need to lock in. Out, guys.
수문장 교대 의식이 잠시 후인 10시에 되오니 여러분께서는 한길문 앞에서 지켜 있는 관람선 밖에서 관람해 주시기 바랍니다.
守门将换岗仪式。朝鲜时代守门将担负着守卫宫门和城门的重任，保证活动顺利進行，请大家在观览线外观览。
ご案内申し上げます。まもなく雲廻門前の広場ではスムンジャン交代儀式が行われます。朝鮮時代においてスムンジャンは宮殿の門や首都の城郭の入り口を守る重要な任務を任され、
을 보고하고 기수가 깃발로 신호를 합니다. 점고를 마친
Running just below the stone bricks, not anymore. Everyone, very simple historical background. This palace was first constructed in 13.
Watch your step.
Watch your step. Look this beautiful 단청 color, right? Natural pigment, grand pillar. So anybody can become.
I'm in this. I learned all the time, but they employ a lot of psychological tricks.
Also called sharper than Korea. Japanese roof has more stress. Do you like this place? You love this area? This is place of
No, half an hour.
We came that way, didn't we?
I thought it was this way. I thought everyone go this way.
I feel like we didn't.
Direction.
I don't think we did this. I don't remember these steps right here. No, we're going farther. See those walls? Yeah.
Okay.
Follow me. We a little
What about
lost.
against like these?
That's where didn't one of these, wasn't it?
I love where that woman is.
Later.
I am in the library. It's pretty cool. Look. Wait, I want to take a video real quick.
Hey fam.
Hey fam. Hey, what's up? Yeah. We in Songsu. Where are you? No.
Oh, is this where you get the free keyring?
Yeah.
Get the free what?
And what do you have to buy?
I don't know. Oh, I don't know what that is.
But I need it.
I know, right? Like. Okay. On the. Oh my gosh, okay, here we go.
강아지 봐봐, 강아지.
Oh my god, it's a baby. Why do
High five it.
How did I miss that twice? Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Okay, wait, so what is this? Hi. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Say less. Oh, everything. A little basket. If I get a basket, that means I'm gonna be picking stuff up. So.
By the way,
Yeah, my ass got a basket. Let's see. What's this? Oh, I see. Matcha. I'm gonna put this on my finger and pray no one put it on their mouth. Wait, what is this?
this is like a or like a balm for your lips, right?
The bubble tea.
16,000. That's like incorrect. Okay, I think I'll get one.
Oh, jeez. I'd eat this. It's like a. It's like really hydrating. You put it on your. It's a lip thing. It's like a lip sleeping. Whoa, I didn't know that happened. I cared about myself. I get that. So what is this? All that stuff. Like what is this? Oh, perfect. Let's see. All right, an AI skin analysis. Here we go. Let's see. Start. Oh my god, I'm age 25 to 29 now. That's f***ed up. You're too far from the phone. How close to the camera do I have to get? Oh my gosh, they did me dirty.
That is a nice, like, at home meal. You'll find all your little face wash headband. Now it makes me kind of want to want.
Now, how did I miss this store?
I might decide, like, at the end. Yeah, like, how I feel. You're right. Drinks, all that good stuff. All of you on this massive page. You'll find it everywhere.
Ah, but not me, because I outrun them. Whoa.
After tonight,
You want to be in the vlog? Hold your buildings.
Tried to get sold to me more e-cookies. That's how it got.
Oh my god, it's running down my hand now. Are you gonna get one? No.
They're really good.
Oh my gosh.
Me when I was having lunch.
Yeah, I tried this slice of pork and I was tearing.
What's up?
I'm gonna get a potato on a stick.
Oh my god, yes. I've had that before.
I'm gonna get the corn dog.
Hey. Something's wrong with my camera. Do you see that? The black lines, but when
straight away.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
I'm strong.
Hey,
That's strong.
I respect it.
Yeah. Have you guys eaten that?
We had corn dog.
A corn dog, yeah.
The egg bread's pretty good.
Oh my Ooh, smell it, smell it, smell it.
Is that a glass? There are more than that. Is that orange glasses?
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Wait, I want to take a photo. That's right, we look good. Guys, we're gonna hopefully it's at over 50 cats. Okay.
Wow. That's a lot of cats.
Hi, sweetie. Y'all, we still out in Seoul. We have a wake up time of 4:30 a.m. It's like almost 10 and we still gonna get meat on a stick and then we gonna Uber back. All right, y'all. Let's find this meat on a stick.
Look at the lamb.
Yes, look at the lamb. Let's go. She picked the lamb, y'all. Here we go. We need her alive. That's right. Torture her. She got the lamb. Hey, oh, there is so much Florida stuff here, like Florida stuff, Disney stuff. And it's like, there's Florida again. Oh my gosh, these people.